Did you know that drowning is the leading cause of death for kids under the age of 5? Did you know that a quarter of the US population of adults can't swim? Did you know that drowning is the leading cause of death for autistic adults? We at the Swim Lesson Club USA have a solution. We can help. There is a way where parents can actually have the ability to help their kids learn to swim. You don't have to just trust the swim instructor to be able to get your kids to swim. You could be part of the process. We've created an online course to help you be able to teach your kids the swimming skills and help them to learn to swim faster than ever before. Join us at swimlessonclubusa.com. swimlessonclubusa.com. Best swim lesson ever is our online course. We can't wait to help you get your kids to swim.